Hello, and today's topic is also halo. Yes. So, how many of you heard about this halo effect? But you would have for sure gone through this halo effect in your life. So, this effect will have a bigger effect on your life as well as in stock market. So, this is more interesting. Once I got to know about this effect in one of the books by Phil Rosenzweig. I studied. I went through in Kindle, so I couldn't show that book here. So you can search in Amazon. It's available. So Halo Effect. It's a very small book, but the effect and the reality is very strong. And I'll be just explaining what is Halo Effect in a very short span of time as clearly as possible in the next few minutes. So today's topic is Halo Effect. Know something new today, as well as how to analyze the stock and stock market, avoiding this halo effect. So, hi, hello, this is Ganesan, your millionaire coach and author of the book Money Leaks. So, I help people in creating wealth. My mission is to create 1 million entrepreneurs and getting their true financial freedom. I had interacted with more than thousands of entrepreneurs in the last 3+ years. So, I know how the people go through the financial things, and that helped me in structuring my course. I'm launching my new course in a couple of days. A test launch has gone very well. If you're interested to join my course, please click the link below. I just given you the bonus in the initial stage itself. If you click it, you will get to know about your money blueprint. That is a you will know about what is that your money blueprint, and know about savings, investments, and everything. Whatever we are not gone, which is never taught in schools and colleges. That's what I can say. All these are my almost 13 years of my experience, and you can go through that. If you feel or resonate with whatever the learnings had gone through, please share it with me, and you can use it in your life for free. So I'm giving away the offer for this video completely free. I'll be saying about halo effect in the next immediately right now. So what is this halo effect? Let me share it with an easy to understand example, so that it's easy to get in before you understand about the companies or getting into the stock market. Suppose you and your friend are talking about so many things about your life and everything, and all of a sudden your friend is saying about a person a common friend, let it be a common friend, and he's saying that this guy has done these many things to in my life, and um, I'm not able to forgive him or whatever. So something bad about a common friend A, and you're just listening to him, and you're just trying to understand, will it be true, or what is the scenario. You are trying to understand without, because he is your close friend. He is sitting next to you, and he's sharing his live uh, problems, whatever this guy has created, the common friend EA has created, right? So after going through all this stuff, you will get a view of the common friend A is something like this, and anybody who is getting in touch with them will get affected. So this is what you will get a common perception about the common friend A. And the very next day, another close friend comes over who are part of the same forum, and he's saying that this common friend A has given a very good review, help to me in a timely help, and I'll be indebted to him for lifetime. If he's saying in that way, your perception is going to change the very next day, because another friend is coming and saying about good about this guy, and your perception is going to change, right? So this is what will happen. So this is called as halo effect, because one guy is coming and telling that this guy is bad, you will get a bad effect. And another guy is coming and telling that this guy is very good and he is very sweet to me, and you will take all the good things about that. So once your views are getting affected, as and when everybody is coming and telling about this common friend A. So this, either both of them are wrong, either both of them, it's all about their perceptions, whatever has happened in their life. What about you? Have you interacted with that person? Have you understood what is he going through in his life? Will you be able to support him? Will you be able to understand directly with him? This is what will clear all the perception, either good or bad. If it is good, it's well and good. If it is bad, it will have a bad perception about that common friend. And whenever you are interacting with that person, that perception will have a, just like my class, it will be there. This perception will always be there. And if it is good, it will add a more the interactions will be in a much better way, right? So this is called as halo effect in companies. What will happen in a company if a company has been listed as the best place to work and it is in top 5? the employee morals will be high, and the company's moral will be high, and the sales will happen. And because of all the sales and everything is happening, the company is going to do good, and the bonus and everything is going to be good. And this report will have a direct effect on stock market, and the stock is also going to do good. And your perception of, and the analyst will be saying that this company is rated as the best employee, and the sales are doing good, the rate of margin and everything, the technical factors are all doing good, and you will get a perception that this company is good to invest. And you are getting every quarter and quarter you are getting so many things like this, and you feel that this company is really doing good, it seems, and you will start believing it. And after a period of time, after a year or two, let's say, take an example, after 3 years, the sales are down, say something similar like corona crisis hit, and the sales are going to go down. And even after the crisis, this company is not able to come out because they have done something drastically new, and this had affected the employee moral, and they are going for cost cutting. Everybody is rating the company poor, and the rating on the same magazine which had said that this is the best company to work, now it is rating it as a worst company to work after 3 years. Now your perception will be, is this a very bad company? Why did I choose that? Why did I invest? Your company is going to go lost. Your investment in that company is going to go for a toss. It is going to go down. From here, it is going down just because of someone else's perception. Now, if you're analyzing the report of the company, the CEO is going to be the same, the financial factor is going to be the same. You need to understand whether is it because of corona crisis, temporary crisis, or is there a structural flaw in it? Nothing is going to change just because one person is, just because one magazine is changing, just because one analyst is saying that this company is bad. If you're going to change, keep on changing the investment portfolio, churning, you are going to lose your money. That's why Warren Buffett does diligent analysis. He just stick with the company. He interacts with the person himself. He tries to get the data. There is another investor called Phil Fisher, whom even Warren Buffett considers as a guru. He tries to get a feedback from everybody working with that company, the vendors, the consumers, everybody. He get a sense of, is this company really good to invest? Once he believes in it, and then he invests after analyzing the quantitative qualitative analysis, after doing the cross checking with all the vendors. It's, you are doing yourself, and then you are getting a trust, and you are creating a trust, and then you are going to invest. So no one is going to play effect, and there is not going to be any filter. Now no one is going to put a filter like no one is going to put a filter like this, just a glass. Like, it's not a blurred vision. You are creating a own filter, and for your with clarity. So if that is going to be the case, just think of what how it will be. Your investment is going to be strong. And you are going to find the best company. Don't have halo effect and then invest in some companies, so that you will keep changing 3 months once, 6 months once, or yearly once. If you're doing all your analysis, just, if you want to do this without halo effect, if you want to analyze, don't look at analyst report, any brokerage reports. Directly go to the annual report, and then see what the positives. Once you go through the report, they would have mentioned the challenges in the short term and in the long term. And then if there is not expected challenges coming, just like corona crisis, and entire export driven companies are going to get affected like anything. If that is going to be the case, they may not know what to do. In that scenario, the earnings are going to get affected, the stock value is going to go down, and they will be honest in replying that this is unexpected downturn, and we are getting ready for the next level of growth, because nothing else is going to get changed just because of one incident. If the company stock value is going to go down, because for the next 2-3 quarters, the export will be affected, then the market has to be captured, right? So because of these scenarios, if the stock value is down, you need to understand only when you look at the annual report and the quarterly reports. If you're looking at the analyst and all these people, they will be giving a short, they will do only the short term analysis. In the short term, will this company give me a good return? And then it won't work. A simple example, just 2 months before, all the pharma companies, they have been rejected by all the analysis. No one is giving a what to say, buy call on all the companies, because everything has been banned by US FDA, US federal agencies, just because Indian companies are not keeping up with proper standards. That was the main problem. They said all the Indian manufacturing industries places will be audited by those guys. They'll be giving a certificate just because Indian companies were manufacturing to US. And most of the pharma companies in the last 4 to 5 years, they are not getting the proper certificate because they are not. There is a small problem. These guys will check each and everything. If there is a minor issue, they will be saying that you need to come again, and it takes years together. That's how the last 4 5 years pharma companies are down. All the investments in pharma companies are down. But what had happened? Corona crisis had made everything upside down. Now USFDA had cleared almost 6 to 7 licenses quickly, and all these companies have started production. And all the companies which are hitting at rock bottom, they started going up like anything. When all the market was going down, when all the stocks are going down, these pharma companies had created short-term profits, and it will for sure go in the positive direction, just because everybody is in need of medicine, everybody is in need of all across the world. So at this time, more than checking all the regulations and all these nitty gritties, they wanted medicine, and at any cost. So Indian pharma companies, they are the huge players, and without them, it's difficult to tally. I mean, it's difficult to carry on. So that is the reason all the regulations have been put aside. They have been given license, and all the things. Pharma companies are hoping that all their license will be approved and they can sell it off. So if you're taken a contrarian approach, and if you had understood that all the pharma companies will come up and going by the annual reports, if that is just a regulation issue, and apart from that, if they are creating new markets, because if the entire dependency on US were for few companies, certain companies are focusing on local markets, certain companies are focusing on China and Africa and all these places. So if this is the case, it means that management knows what is the current issue, and they are getting prepared for the future. If this is the case, you would have invested in a company which is available at a lower PE value, technically valuation wise, and then you would have reaped benefit by now. Nothing worry, you can invest in the future also. We have lots of time to invest. Don't rush to invest in pharma companies, as I say about them as example. So this is what about halo effect. If you want to know more about halo effect and anything in detail about this, get in touch with me. I'll be happy to share about whatever I know. I just read through this in a book, and I'm just sharing it with you. And I thought if you're going by analyst report, that is going to affect you like anything. You will be reacting if you want to respond to situation, and if you want to, for example, if you're coming into the stock market with a long term view of 5 to 10 years, and if you're going by the analyst report, these guys will give you a short term view like sell buy and go short. And if you're going by these reports, you will react and you will fall prey to them. Instead, go with the company's report, understand by yourself, understand all the operations and everything. Then you will get a complete picture. Then it's easy to stay invested with them for 5 years to get put together, and then it's easy to create wealth. So this is the time you can learn a lot about stock market and learn, because almost 18 days are going to be there. You are going to be at home, whatever business you are in. Even if you are an employee, you are going to be there. Let's do productive work. I'm giving away my your money blueprint. It's about savings, investments, and what kind of things which has never been taught in schools and colleges. If you're interested to learn a lot about these things, just click the below link, and it's very easy. You can click and you can enroll yourself for free, and then start learning. It's for lifetime. You can learn about the stuff which has never been taught by schools and colleges, which has never been taught by your parents. And it's all my experience in the last 14 years, and my interaction with 3 plus years with all the business owners, almost more than 1,000 plus people. So the initial set of people who had gone through that had given a good feedback and sharings. I'll be sharing it with you. If you're interested, just click the below link and start enroll yourself and start learning. If you found this video useful, click the like button and share it with all of your friends, because they may have halo effect with a common set of people. And if they are interested to learn about stock market, they may find this video much more useful. So thanks for listening and watching. Thank you once again. And thanks to Noble Kalai, Rajesh, Jehosh, thanks to Sabri, thanks to Sajjana who has joined. And with yet another video, we'll be catching you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Please share this video with your Niyas and Bias. Thank you.